Today we're diving into the world of floral decor with the Janinka 100 PC's artificial baby breath Gypsophila flowers bouquets, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any setting. These faux Gypsophila flowers are crafted with strong materials, featuring plastic flower heads and plastic wire-wrapped stems, allowing you to adjust them to your desired angle and ensuring long-lasting use. Measuring 20.8 inches in length, each bush boasts 3 forks and approximately 90 small flower heads, making them ideal for most vases and a stunning addition to any arrangement. With a package containing 100 pieces, these artificial baby breath flowers are perfect for wedding bouquets, parties, home decor, and holiday celebrations, offering lush leaves and sturdy branches to enhance any occasion. Installation is a breeze, as these UV-resistant and maintenance-free flowers require no watering, and any detached flower heads can be easily reattached or secured with a bit of glue. Whether you're aiming to create a romantic atmosphere at home or seeking the perfect filler flowers for a vintage or rustic wedding bouquet, these faux baby breath flowers are versatile enough to match any design. So, brighten up your life and let your creativity blossom with these beautiful artificial flowers that promise to elevate your decor to new heights.